jackfruit. Jackfruit ice cream. Get jackfruit. Which one you get? Come, get.
Coffee and jackfruit. Nice one.
Coffee and jackfruit?
What did you last time?
Oh my god.
You are going to taste?
You don't mind me going to sit down. Go for that. What's that, huh? Look for it.
Coffee, jackfruit.
Coffee and jackfruit.
Yeah.
Which one you have, Ivan? Sauce or chocolate? Tell me if it's nice on it. Nice? Jackfruit nice or don't? What trying to get up, huh?
Rubbermains and pistachio.
Boring.
No.
Yeah, oh, that is chocolate. Yeah, that's chocolate. Grape not nice tonight. Them not them nice tonight. After the grape, man. This. After the grape, man, I tell you.
Jackfruit, depend on time.
You feel what?
They gonna eat.
Oh man, it's nice, man.
This is nice.
I might win. I make the ice cream.
Feels good. It feels good.
Yeah, never nice sample.
It feels good. Nice.
We're cooking on the big.
Oh, what? I made this nut.
Come on.
Feels good. Pistachio. Feels good.
How big are the taste?
Wonderful.
And you say, if I have a grip, you tell me if it tastes.
Somebody dip down in there.
I forgot to get a bigger spoon. Nothing. Jackfruit, nice. Honey, come back. How is your gun? What do you think about it? Which one you say me and you go fix car? Both me and you go fix car. Where? A church.
Church service.
Mm. My jackfruit, nice, no man.
My son not into this.
Jackfruit nice and the other one, no? No. Which one you get? Which one ice cream you get that from?
Bread nut, rum raisin, and pistachio.
And which one am I nice this one?
Rum raisin.
And which one you get? Jackfruit and coffee.
That's the best one.
Which one you get, Ariel?
Cookie and cream and chocolate.
Hmm?
Cookie and cream and chocolate.
I was trying nice this one.
Chocolate.
Jackfruit I nice. So the jackfruit win. You know you can know which one am I nice this one? Look on the finishing touch. Better than I never did it. Eh? Yes, they are fine to eat that. But you struggle to eat that. You want help? You want help? You sure? Let me taste.
Like avalanche. I'm not going to eat avalanche. Like that cold. One just like this.
Man, it's that taste not tasting.
I'm ready. Fried ice cream. Fried ice cream. Fried ice cream. Oh? Which one you eat? Eh? How many hold the argument?
They say like ice cream, she's it's nice. I'm still going to try it. And he said no.
Hey, you know, say I mix up yourself.
But that was the key. Maybe rolling
Where's the cheesecake? Cheese. Oh, cake when make out of cheese. Got now gonna. Not now gonna. Get it. Cheese. Are y'all run? Now we'll give them a run. Now we'll give them a run for the money. Come on, pay it. Eh? Oh. Are you more come pay your debt? Pay your bill. You think I like what you did yesterday? God, the food I run out of the people in place. Pay your debt. Oh, you see I put the phone on, come. Oh, we forgot to. So how was the ice cream?
It was nice.
Which one? The jackfruit? The jackfruit one? Jackfruit one nice. Oh no, yeah, no choice. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Write your name on the wall, no?
There's no more stuff here. We have no marker.
None dairy, eh? So you're not get fat. Rain up for?
Let me get cold. What's wrong with me?
What is this one and zero?
No.
You know, if I don't, besides Avila did it rotted.
If I did it,
if I did Avila dropped me.
you don't drop it, that float to God long time.
All the while, so.
He gone.
Lick me. You know, hold me that drop. We have them wicked.
When I said the police headquarters, era 2, we said, I said Mary, yeah. Yeah. You ready for get the sauce up? Not sauce up, what him? Sweet up. It's up my man now downstairs.
Yes, we'll get some more.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, hear that?
Jackfruit ice cream, nice. Go up on the front. Go up on the front, go see what I want to test. Yes guys, until you come, just get the jackfruit one. It's the nicest one. Nicest one. See there? Main road. Next to the Era 2 headquarters for St. Mary. Yeah. Twist. Best ice cream, natural, everything natural, no dairy product. Yeah, there, man. Yeah, but the big rhythm there.